AESA surveillance systems. Airborne Early Warning and Control, AEW&C, a critical defense capability for any country, provides a security shield against airborne and maritime threats. The AEW&C mission is to provide current air and naval situation awareness picture in a very large surveillance volume. The AEW&C detects potential threats long before they can inflict damage and provides a decisive force multiplier over the enemy in both defensive and offensive operations. The first AEW&C system in the world with AESA radar was developed by ELTA and has been successfully operational since 1995, long before other products became available. This system marked a breakthrough in AEW&C radar technology with outstanding operational capabilities and performance. ELTA is now supplying its third-generation airborne early warning systems with unmatched capabilities built on advanced technologies and operational experience. AWACS and CAEW are the ultimate AEW&C solutions in the market today. Both systems provide a complete integrated mission system suite using the same advanced technology and a high commonality of hardware and software. The prime sensor is a high-performance AESA radar with true 360-degree coverage, detecting and tracking aircraft and vessels at very long ranges. The AWACS and CAEW use different design concepts. The AWACS radar includes 3 large arrays inside a dome, mounted high above the fuselage. The CAEW radar operates in 2 frequency bands. 2 large conformal arrays installed on the fuselage cover the side sectors. Nose and tail arrays operate in a higher frequency and cover the front and rear sectors. An IFF system integrated within the radar interrogates and identifies airborne targets and other assets. The radar detects and tracks naval vessels as far as the horizon. And an AIS system identifies naval vessels. ISAR, Inverse Synthetic Aperture Radar, provides classification of naval targets. Electronic surveillance by the advanced ESM system detects, locates, and identifies practically every source of electromagnetic radiation in the arena, whether stationary or in motion. Communication surveillance is performed by the state-of-the-art CSM system that intercepts, locates, and tracks voice communications in the entire communication spectrum. AWACS and CAEW are fully interoperable with air, ground, and naval combat assets. Multiple advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground voice communications, data links, and satellite communication networks fit the operational environment of each user, providing fail-safe connectivity with all airborne, maritime, and ground assets. AWACS and CAEW operate as full capability command and control centers. Targets detected by the onboard sensors are integrated with external reports received via data link to create a coherent, reliable, and complete situation awareness picture. The AEW&C provides coordinated battle management in air combat and naval combat operations. ELTA, all the capabilities under one roof, successfully integrated AEW&C systems on different platforms. ELTA, a true technology pioneer with years of technical and operational experience, provides the 2 most advanced third-generation AEW&C systems in the world. ELTA's AEW&C systems, the right choice to control your nation's sky, sea, and land arenas.